Now, 3 weeks after Hurricane Melissa tore through southern and western Jamaica, the Intersecondary Schools Sports Association, ISSA, made the call to restart local high school sports. However, for some institutions, the return to competition has not meant a return to normalcy. Now, at Cornwall College, the rebuilding process is still very much a work in progress.
The October 28 hurricane left a trail of destruction across the western end of the island, damaging approximately 40 high schools and casting doubt over the continuation of the ISSA calendar. With the Costa Cup already into its round of 16 stage and basketball and netball preparing to tip off, ISSA faced a difficult decision. Now, after extensive consultations with school administrators, the governing body opted to resume sporting activities, citing the importance of routine and student development. While several disciplines have restarted, track and field is only now easing into the new season, and not all programs are on equal footing. Cornwall College is among the schools still feeling the effects of the storm. Track and field coach Ricardo Williams says the hurricane directly impacted several of his athletes, disrupting both attendance and preparation.
For our student athletes, they have been displaced. Their homes are damaged, the roofs are gone, some of their houses are totally gone. They are moving with other neighbors or family members. We are trying to put packages together as a track team to get them some food stuff and clothes or anything that they may need to help them get on back to track.
The disruption, he says, has significantly set the program back.
That's a major disruption to the Cornwall track program because we started about 50 cents training. We are now down to about 20 cents training at this point in time. Hopefully by January we can get everybody back into full training.
In the meantime, ISSA President Keith Wellington is anticipating that other schools will field smaller teams.
These schools have suffered significantly, and many of them have had to scale down on the size of their teams and their training programs. They have all indicated that it is their desire to ensure that they participate at champs this year. So we are relatively certain that they will be participating. But what we are also certain of is that the numbers coming from those schools will not be the same because they will be focusing on for the most part, on their premier athletes. There are a few schools that have indicated that their team sizes are going to be significantly less than it was last year.
Despite a reduced squad and limited preparation at Cornwall College, Williams believes the athletes who remain are committed to pushing forward.
But the few that we have is showing that we have hope, and we have strength, and we have resilience, and we're going to continue to push forward. Even with the small amount of sense we have, we're resilient, and we're going to strive forward. In the small amount, we continue to fight, and then that will trickle down to the others to continue pushing forward.
The challenges also extend beyond sport. Cornwall College finished 17th on 21 points at this year's ISSA Boys Championships, a result that they might find hard to repeat after one of the most disruptive natural disasters in recent memory. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.